G'day, here's 3 pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The material's been wetted. The white that you're seeing is the reflection of the light off the water. So anyway, I'll just pick them up so you can see better. This one's a nice little, very bright bar down the middle. Should cut a very nice long stone or a couple of stones if you want to cut it in half. The other piece has a seam running through it there, a little bar of colour here, basically potch on the end, and this one, interesting colour, a little bit of fire through there, caramel potch, another little face there, and over this side quite a nice colour just on the end here that will come off, I think. Get a stone through here. How you'd like to treat it I don't know, whether you'd like to cut that off and just treat that as a single stone, but the camera's picking up the sparkle of the greens and very fine little pattern of colour. Over here there's purples, blues. Anyway, nice little piece. Those 2 pieces are really the parcel. The extra bit's a bonus. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.